Hello dear students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of permutation and combination chapter. So this is from second year Maths A. Okay, so in this we are going to find the solutions of fifth A exercise here. Okay, now start with the first question here. Now before starting to the exercise here, so we have to learn some important points here. I will explain those points. Okay, so please concentration and listen once. So here your textbook, okay, 150 page number, the chapter in the 152 page number, there is 5.1.4 is the definition is given there. So please read that one. What is the definition? So from a given finite set of elements, selecting some or all of them and arranging in them a line called a linear permutation, or simply we call it as a permutation. So like given their example are given there, like 1 5 he is given there. Some examples. See that one, mint, the word mint given. So arranging in a two letters, like so mi, im, mn, nm, mt, tn, like that. So this example please go through there, and second example and third example also you will find that digits are, or like an letters are, you will form in the like three letters form, four letters form, like that. So okay, so after that 5.1.6 is there, that is like circular permutations. Circular permutations. So this is also very important. We'll go discuss and in the next classes. Okay. So from here, what we have to learn means, so what this one with this one? No. So here, so like 155 page number. See here, 155 page number. 155 page number. There is a notation. Notation is given there. Notation. So in that notation, so here the number of permutations of an n is given. Permutations n. Okay. So dissimilar things are taken as r. So this is p, npr. This is the number of permutations, and dissimilar things are taken as a r at the time of denoted by npr. So is given in that notation. Okay. So please go through their 155 page number. You will find that one. So here actually NPR is equal to what is? So NPR. So what is NPR? Is given here n into n minus 1 into dash dash n minus r plus 1 is given here. Okay. So in the 155 page number only, so there is given as like page number only. There is given one formula, 5.2.2 formula. There you will find the formula. So NPR is equal to n factorial divided by, so what is there, n minus r factorial. So here r is given, here npr. So we have to subtract here with this one to this one, permutation to number of like r's. So taken as r as a dissimilar things. Okay. So we have to take this one. This is a formula. So basic formula. NPR is equal to, so this is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. We have to take whenever we get like this type of question. Okay. Now here some important things also is given here. 5.2.3, 5.2.3 is given here. So 5.2.3 here, that given is npn is equal to what, 1 here, sorry, n factorial is given. So np0 is equal to 1 is given here. These are the two important identities also we have to we have to grab ahead it. So it is very important. Okay. After that there is a 5.2.4 theorem is there. There you will find npr is equal to n into n minus 1 p. Okay, p r minus 1 will be there. So this is also very important. So now here, so after that some examples are, and some examples 5.2.8 and 5.2.6, 5.2.5, this type of like identities, and 5.2.10 theorem is given there, theorem. So this is also very important. Please practice these all things. So if you practice these all things, you will get the answers easily. Now here one C here 5.2.11. So this is very important examples. So you will here you will get the basic idea of the permutations here. So where the example one here. So we have to take four letters words. So that is mixture is given, mixture. is given. From this you have to take x as a like common term for all the terms. We have to solutions is given is a clear step by step form. So please you go there 4 into like 6p3 is given, so this is 4 is a x in 4 places, like we have to take, and after that 6p3 remaining 3 places you have to take this total number of other letters. So this is 6p3, we can write it as total 7 letters will be given in this one. The x is a one letter that we take as in the 4 letters like this. So you have to take 4 one. So we have to multiply this 4 into 6p3. So that is I will explain in the exercise like exercise questions. Okay. Now here total see here 159 page number. There we here started 5.2.12. So solve problem starts from here. So very very important, 2 marks questions compulsory you will expect from 2 marks. Two questions are 4 marks, one big question from this one. Okay, total up to 12 marks you will get. 12 marks questions. Okay, like 8 marks questions maybe, 2 marks questions, or for 4 marks question you will get compulsory from this chapter. Okay, from this chapter. So I want to tell you before that only. So here 12 marks you will cover from this chapter. 8 plus 2 plus 2 are 8 plus 4 marks questions. Anything you can expect from this chapter. Please practice here only. So you will get compulsory. Very easy chapter. Only we have to like make a theory concepts like that one. Okay. So now here another like examples of 6 or 7 problems, solve problems of 6 to 7 and 8 9 number of like solved problems. I want to tell you that 10th problem is very very important. Please practice one. It is in the 164th page number. Okay, so after that 11th one also you will practice. Okay, so after that there is nothing is important here, but these up to this I told you na, this 5.2 5.3 5.5 5.1.6, these are all are very very important. This is basic formula, and this is like given formula of like NPR. So these are all very very important. Please practice as much as you can. Practice with a hand. What I'm telling, practice with a hand is very very important. So start with the exercise here 5a. So before starting to exercise, I want to tell you one thing also. So here n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 we can write factorial. Okay, factorial also we can write it as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also we can write. So n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into dash 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 like a 3 2 1 lastly it will come like this. Okay, so this is the factorials we have to learn. Okay, now so np, so already I told you no. So this np0 is equal to 1, npn is equal to n factorials. These are the basics are we have to do here, and other thing also there. So one thing is that 0 factorial is 1 here, and 1 factorial is 1 only here. So this is two also I want to tell you. So these are the important things we have to know before we starting to the exercise 5a. Now I'll start with the exercise 5a, first question here. So that is very very important for 2 marks questions or 4 marks questions. So here first question is given that if np3 is equal to 1320, then find the value of n here. He asking us to find. Now given solution here, given question is what np3 is equal to 1320 is given here. Okay na? So np3 how we can write it as, we know already n factorial is equal to like n into n minus 1 into, so this factorial like that. So but here so np3 up to 3 only. So here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 here we have to take here, and 1320 we have to take. So 1320 we can write it as 132 into 10 we can write it as. Okay, so n minus 2 is equal to 10 we can take, so it will become 12 into 11. What will come here we'll see. 12 into 11 will do though. So 2 1 1 2, so 1 132 is will come now. So this is 132, and here into 10. So what this n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to, this is the result. So here n minus 2 is equal to in 10 into 10, will take 10 though, so it will n is equal to here 12. So he asking us to find the value of n value. So that is n is equal to 12 here. So this is a question solution here. Now moving to the next question. Now second question is given that here. So it is like for your important question only, like okay, important question only. Just some like we have to take some derivation like the solutions here. So NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5. So he asking us to find a N. So N value we have to find, a solution will come like this. So NP7 divided by NP5 will come. So it is in the multiplication form, okay, is equal to 42 we can take. So NP7 is equal to, we can write it as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 into, like, N minus 4 into N minus 5 into N minus 6. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms. Is equal to how much? 42. So and divided by here. So what is there? So NP5. So N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 into N minus 4. How many terms? 5 terms here. So N will get cancelled. N minus 1, N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 2, N minus 3, N minus 3, N minus 4, N minus 4. So what will remain here? N minus 5 into N minus 6 will remain here, is equal to 42 will remain. So if we multiply with this is these things, so like N into, so what we can take? N into N minus 6 and minus 5 into N minus 6 is equal to 42. So N into N, N square minus 6N here, minus 6N minus 5N, and minus into minus plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 42 we can write. So it will become N square minus 11N will come now. So 11N minus, so this 42 come inside, and the 30 minus 42 is equal to minus 12 will come here. So is equal to 0 will come here. 0 will come. So here, if we do factorization of this one though, so what will come here? 12, 3, 4 are 12, 6, 12, 1 are 12. So n square minus 11, 12n plus n minus 12 is equal to 0 will come. So this is factorization. 12 1 are 12 I am taking. So 12 minus 1 is equal to 11 will come. So in between this one, okay. Now here n will come on, so n minus 12 will come here, and here plus 1 will come on, so n minus 12 will come here, is equal to 0. So n plus 1 into n minus 12 will come here. So means n is equal to minus 1 will come, and n is equal to 12 will come. So this is he asking us to find here, okay. Now moving to the next question, third one. Now third question is given that solution here. So if n plus 1 p5 is to, like, n p6 is equal to 2 is to 7, then find the value of n here. So he asking us to find the value of n. Here question is given that n plus 1 p5 and is to n p6 is equal to 2 is to 7. No? So from this we can write it as n plus 7 p5 divided by n p6 is equal to 2 by 7 we can write. So n plus 5 we can write it as n plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1. Here we can write it as n plus 1 minus 2 we can write it as n plus, so how many terms? One term, second term, third term, fourth term. N plus 1 minus 3, fourth term, and n plus 1 minus 4 we can write here. So this is a 5 terms is over now. Here 5 is an r value, so this one here divided by np6, n into n plus 1 into, and here sorry, n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 and n minus 5 is equal to 2 by 7 will come here, 2 by 7. So from this n minus n plus 1 will remain here into, so this is n, and this is n minus 1, and this is n minus 2, this is n minus 3, divided by, and divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 is equal to 2 by 7. No? So n minus 3, n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 1, n minus 1, n will get cancelled here. So what will remain here? N plus 1 divided by n minus 4 into n minus 5 will remain here, is equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7. If we do cross multiplication, though it will become 7n plus 7 is equal to this will and this will. So 2 into n square, n into n square minus 4n, kadu, minus 5n minus 4n, and 5 4 ja 20 plus 20. So we'll come here. 7n plus 7 is equal to 2n square. 2n square will write. Okay. 2n square 2 5 ja 10. Like this is how much here? Uh, 9 na? So 9. 2 9 ja 18. 18n. So 2 20, 2 20 ja, 40 here. So 40 will come. So these two things go inside, it will become 2n square. So 7n minus 7n minus 18n is equal to minus 25n will come, and this will goes inside, so 7 will goes to minus 30, so plus 30 will come, plus 33 will come is equal to 0. So here, so what we have got here, 33 2 ja 66. 66 we factorize this one, so it will become 36 66 no 66 in what, 22 3 ja, okay, 22 3 ja will come as a 66 will come na, so we'll divide in this one with the way. So 2n square minus 2n square minus 22n minus 3n plus 33 is equal to 0 here. So 2 will come on the n square minus how much will come here, uh, n square minus 2n common equal to, so it will become n minus 11, and here minus 3 common equal to n minus 11, so is equal to 0 will come. So 2n minus 3 into n minus 11 is equal to 0 will come. So n is equal to 11 and comma n is equal to minus, sorry, plus 3 by 2 will come here, plus 3 by 2. So these are the two are here solutions here. Now going to the next question, moving to the next question. So before starting to this question, I want to tell you some important formula. NPR is equal to, so NPR is equal to n minus 1, okay, n minus 1 PR plus R into, so R into n minus 1 PR minus 1. So in this place you will get the NPR value. So R value will get here. So the given question is what here, 15, sorry, 12, 12P 5 and plus 5 into, so 12 P4 is equal to 13 PR. So what he asking us to find, R value. So this R value we have to find. So we'll do this one like this using this formula. So 13 PR is equal to, so given question. So like this will take. So after that here n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 12 only na. So this is n will think that the 12 minus 13 minus 1 is equal to 12 P5. R is equal to how much? 5 we can take like that here only. But we have to do R is equal to 5 here. 5 here given a 5. So 12, this is n minus 1, 12 is given, and this is r minus 4, means p minus r minus 1 is equal to r is equal to how much, 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is the formula where we have to take. So this, from this r is equal to what we will get, 5 value is the answer here. Now moving to the fifth one. So now fifth question is here. So first we know that npr is equal to n factorial divided by what, that n minus r factorial, we know this one. So in this one we have to submit maximum this value, so then we'll get the answer here. Solution here, so solution here, so given question what, 8 p r minus 1 is given and is to 17 p r minus 1 is given here is equal to 9 is to 7 is given here. Okay, 9 is to 7 or 9 by 7 we can write it as. So we also write this as the same like that only. So here 8 P r minus 1 divided by 17 P r minus 1 we take here is equal to 9 by 7 we'll take here. 9 by 7. So 8 P r is equal to what we can write it as. So here uh, here from I will write here 8 P r, n P r like this, n P r, n factorial divided by n minus r. So 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 18 minus 18 factorial divided by 18 minus so r is n, r is equal to how much, r minus 1, r minus 1 factorial here. So this will get here, this will get here, and after that what we have to do here, and divided by we have to get 17 factorial divided by 17 minus r minus 1 factorial will get here. So this will get here factorial for this only, so not total. So from this 9 by 7, 7 here will be there na. So from this here we will get as this total will come upside and it will become reverse. Denominator will reverse to the like 18 factorial divided by this 18 plus minus into minus plus, no, so is equal to 19. 19 minus r factorial will come here, r factorial will come, yes. So into this factorial for total, I sorry, I will tell you that not for this total. So up to like 17 means 18. 18 minus in minus r factorial divided by, so what will get here, 17 factorial. 17 factorial will get here. So is equal to how much, 9 by 7 will be there. So it will become what we can write it as 18 into 17 factorial we can write now, divided by this we can write it as this denominator 19 minus r into 18 minus r factorial we can write into 18 minus r factorial divided by 17 factorial will be there is equal to 9 by 7. So this will and this will get cancelled. This 17 and 17 will factorial will cancel. 18 by 19 minus r is equal to 9 by 7 will be there. If we do cross multiplication though, okay, so or else 9 1 ja 9 2 ja will get cancelled. So it will become, we do cross multiplication as well as we will do here. So what will become cross multiplication means 7 2 ja 7 2 ja 14 is equal to 19 minus r will come. 19 minus r. So r will come, r will take, I will take here, 14 will I will take here. So r is equal to 19 minus 14. So this from here r is equal to what we will get, 5 is the value of this one, r value. So which one, r value is a 5. So now moving to the next question, sixth one, that is, now sixth question is given that a man has a 4 sons. Solution here, a man has 4 sons and there are near to his 5 schools. 5 schools are there, 4 sons are there. With his reach in how many ways can be he admit his sons in the schools so that no two of children's. So he know very well if he arrange two children in the place same class same school they will fight. He know that's why he taking, like he want to take different schools. Okay, okay. So here I'm joking, just kidding. So don't mind it. So it will be in the same school. He saying, he asking us to find. So what will be the answer? Will get. So there are how many 5 schools are there, and here how many children are, 4 children are. So how many ways we can adjust them into the, like four only. So in the 4 schools and no, like no children come in the like in this place. So already we know that NPR is equal to what, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. No, so in this we'll submit, so it will become 5 factorial divided by n minus n is equal to 5 minus r is equal to 4 factorial will come here. So it will become 5 factorial only will come. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 1 ja 5 4 5 3 and 3 2 into 1. So 5 4 ja how much, 20. 20 into 3 into 2. So 23 ja 60. 60 into 2 is equal to 62 ja 120 will come here. 62 ja 120. So this is the answer of given question. So 120 ways he can arrange his 4 children in the, without like having in the two children at the same school. He will not send them in the same school. There are 120 ways to send them 4 sons to the 5 schools. So this is end of this section 1, guys. I will soon, I will early, as early as possible, I will upload as early as possible. I will upload. Okay, this chapter I want to complete this chapter. I have also some works, so I will complete this and integration chapter as soon as possible. And other definite integrals also I started. This also I will complete soon as soon as possible. So if you like, if I want to like, if I have to complete those. Like complete those chapters, you have to do one thing. So please like my videos and like karo, please, as much as like, and share karo, please, at least share karo with your one friend at least. So this will help me to boost more videos. You are understanding, you are intermediate students, you are mature students, please understand. So please share my videos and as well as subscribe my to channel. So subscribe karo yaar, likes करे तो मेरा videos goes in like if many people we can watch here. So thank you guys. This is my humble request. Please subscribe. Okay. I will meet in the next video, second section, section 2 here. I will soon, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will upload compulsory. Okay. Thank you guys.